If you want to make your nav bar transparent on Squarespace, it couldn't be easier. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in, I reckon, 28 seconds. So let's see if I can get it. If I click edit on my Squarespace website, I'll go into edit site header. Within here, you'll see edit design. And you can obviously see we've got a block color as the background right now. So I click edit. I'm going to go into color. And then all I do is I select adaptive. So you see we've got solid, gradient, which looks like this, which I don't know why anyone would pick gradient. I don't think it looks great at all. And then you just click adaptive. There's no other styling to adaptive other than to keep it transparent. Now, if you keep your, or stop the clock there because I've just showed you how to make it transparent. But if you want to make it fill in with color, I'll show you how to do that as well as a bit of a bonus, just because I'm nice. So if I click edit and then go back into the site header, design. So if I go down under effects, you're going to see fixed position. Just keep it on basic, hit save, exit, and watch what happens now. So it goes from transparent and then it goes into a solid color so that all the text and the logo and, you know, if you've got buttons in there, stays legible. And that is how you do it. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.